With this video, I just wanted to show that we can keep adding on to our procedures and to use the procedures we've done to do other things. So these procedures that we had before, we made this one called square, and if you remember, square takes something we call a parameter, which is length, just there. And to make a square, we repeat 4 times. We go forward by the length and right by 90 degrees, and that makes our square. And then we did something similar with a rectangle as well. So we've used length 2 and length 1. So with this time we're repeating twice because we've got 2 repeats to do now instead of 4, because it's not a square anymore, it's a rectangle. So forward by length 1, and then right by 90, forward by length 2 and right by 90. And when we do that twice, we make a rectangle. And this is the filling one that we did before, where we looked at picking up the pen, going right by 45 degrees so that we can go into the middle of the shape, or inside the shape at any rate, forward by 20 to get it inside the shape, and then filling with whatever color we send to it. So again, that's the parameter of the color, and we send to it to fill it. So we could put those together to make a house, and this is how I've gone about making my house. So first of all, I've made a rectangle, a biggish rectangle, 200 by 100. We've picked the pen up. I've moved the pen by going to a different location. So right 90, forward 50, left 90, pen down. I'm making another rectangle, this time smaller. This is going to be for the door. I've then used the fillet to fill this in black, and then again pen up, forward 100, left 90, forward 20, right 90, pen down again, and then I've drawn a square 40, and that's a window. Pen up, and then these commands just move it onto the next area where we want to be. So we're just moving it 90 degrees and forward, etc., so that we can move that onto where we want to be next. So I've written something that makes a street as well, but if we use house first of all, and we run that, you can see it draws a house, and these bits of commands at the end, they just put the turtle here at this location on the right hand side, pointing upwards again, which is where it was before. So we've done that with house. If we wanted to do this with street, we could do this with street, and we just send it a number. And you can see it now draws 2 houses because we've said street for street 2. Again, if we do street 3, we can draw 3 houses as well. So we've used house inside street here in order to draw a house. Then these other commands here are just moving the turtle across, and you can see it's moved across here into the next position, ready to draw a house next to it. So this is just how to do putting procedures together in order to make a bigger picture. And you could obviously do this with other things as well. But if you want to make a street, then this is one way of doing it. If you want to be really advanced, you might want to put a pitched roof on top instead, and you have to work with a triangle idea for that.